Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today we're standing on this beautiful brand new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS Outboard. Starting back here on the swim platform with the power plant of the boat, we've got the twin Mercury V12 600 Verados. Great power option to this boat. Pushes this boat to a top speed of just under 60 miles per hour or a cruise speed in the mid to upper 30s, and very, very fuel efficient. And you can see these are running right now and you can still hear, and I can talk, and there's not any noise or anything like that. So even when you're running, it's nice and comfortable. You can hear yourselves talk and have time entertaining with your family and friends. So back here as well, we've got this beautiful sun pad option. You got cup holders everywhere. It's got a little kind of table, cutting board, cheese, whatever you want to call it, sitting there in the middle. So if you were out at night, you wanted to kind of throw it on skyhook again, you and your wife could have some dinner and drinks and just hang out, enjoy the sunset. Kids could be playing in the water, just have a beautiful evening on this incredible boat. So both sides do fold down here. You got port and starboard that go down. Nice thing about that, you extend this whole entertainment area where kids can jump in the water, water sports, anything like that. Just a great option to have people and just hang out and entertain on this incredible boat. So as we work our way around here, we do have the controls under here for the hardtop sunshade, which comes out of the back here, which is nice. So when you are kind of hanging out, if it's getting a little hot, you can throw that out, cover yourselves. You don't have to worry about getting burned from the sun. And then you have both the beach modes right here that open and go down. Coming in, you can see another beautiful entertainment area, wraparound seating, very comfortable vinyl. It's not dark, it's very light, so it doesn't get hot to the sun. Beautiful wood table here. Again, entertainment is what everyone wants to do out on the water, so you can have your families and friends aboard, just have a great dinner. You do have a grill option over here hidden underneath on the kind of upward galley area. Two fridge-freezer combos, so you can either ice these down or have these on freezer mode and keep some things cold, and then have some drinks in there as well. One of the best parts about this boat, great HVAC system from up here, air conditioning. It's just amazing. It keeps this whole area underneath with the full windshield. Very cool, very comfortable, just a great place for entertaining. So we continue forward over here at the helm. You can see very, very well laid out for the captain. It's got all your switches and gauges that you need. Two great big swim-rad screens, all touch screen. You got the Mercury throttle system over there with the joystick. Again, we are in skyhook mode, so it's gonna keep us right on this spot and comfortable while doing this video. Also, while we're doing this video, it's a little bit bumpy out. This is equipped with a Seakeeper stabilizer, so it's gonna keep the boat nice and still. You can kind of see a boat just went by. We're not going back and forth. So again, if you have anyone that gets a little bit of queasiness out on the boat, you don't have to worry about that. This is gonna keep it nice and stable and comfortable and able to enjoy that entire day out on the water without having to go in. So another beautiful part of this boat is this cool little kind of bar setup area. So whether you're either sitting and facing forward, they give you a nice backrest and sides over here. Just very comfortable, very well thought out and laid out. Or if you wanted to turn around and kind of join the party back here, you know, people can be eating over there. You can kind of have two separate entertainment areas going on. And then again, with that air conditioning, they actually give you some vents underneath of these bar stools. So it keeps these friends and family very comfortable as well. We're gonna head up to the bow and then we'll come back and check out the cabin on this 42 GLS Outboard. So nice big walk-through door, very easy to get in and out. You do have a wind door that you can close off as well. So if it gets a little bit cool or a little bit too hot, you can close that off and really use that air inside the cockpit to keep you nice and cool. Heading up to this bow area, again, all about entertainment. You got your stereo up here, you have cup holders everywhere, very easy to access, very comfortable for your guests. You have flip down armrests, table that can go in. Again, it's all about entertainment, enjoying that time out on the water. You could have 6 to 8 people sitting up here comfortably, just enjoying each other's time and company, enjoying this beautiful weather that we're having up here in South Jersey right now. So now we're gonna head back down and check out the cabin that you're able to use on this 42 GLS Outboard. And what's great about this is if you wanted to take a trip, you know, 4 people can go overnight. You can either do it with 2 couples, a couple with kids. It's just a great boat, able to do a lot of things and enjoy a lot of time out on the water. So heading down inside, nice steps, not too steep, easy to get in and down. You've got your air conditioner controls as you come in. You've got a nice Samsung television that's on a pole here. Easy to disconnect. You can actually take it and put it up on the bar area. So you could either be down here, hang out away from the weather, or if you wanted to enjoy the game or something up there, you can do that as well. The front area here, this is a table that comes up, so you can either have, again, you can come down inside if it gets rough out, or if it gets nasty out, or you can have this as a sleeper. And then as you turn around into the back here, this is kind of your, it's got a television down there. You've got storage all over the place. That's more of your main cabin area, able to sleep. It's almost the size of a king-size bed, probably a little bit larger, very comfortable. Again, great option for taking those long weekends away. For us, it's either going to Ocean City, Maryland, going down to Cape May. Just a great option for this boat. And then you also have nice large head down there, vacuum flush, you can shower. Obviously great for those, again, those long weekends, overnight accommodations. So thank you for taking that walkthrough with me of this brand new 2024 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS Outboard. Again, my name is Bill Herr, and we're here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. If you'd like a private showing, you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our direct line is 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.